This is unboxing of a astronomy related item. Let's open and see what is inside this. Okay, now I have removed the sellotape, cut it, and let's see what is inside. Okay, we see some paper for packaging. Oh, it looks like an eyepiece. Let me see what is inside more. Well packed. Is there anything else? Oh no, that's it. So put this back, put them aside. Okay, it has revealed itself. It's an 18mm ED eyepiece. I had one of these and I bought another one to use it with my binocular. And now you can see that. The good thing about this eyepiece is that it comes with a cleaning cloth. The quality of the eyepiece is good, if not excellent, and it's kind of, you know, quality at a cheap price. So for example, you can turn this eye cup and comes up. Let me just do it first with the two hands. Yeah, that's what I mean. You can actually raise this eye cup, so you will have a deeper viewing point. The other side, nice big lens. That's 18mm, so perfect for my binocular to use at the objects. This is how it looks from this side, and this is how it looks from this side, and this is how it will be. It looks nice. Nice reflection of the lens. Lens is very clean. And as you can see, beautiful lens. All in all, I'm happy with this purchase. Yeah, just put it there, take a picture, and that's it. Nice eyepiece.